My name is Fiore Milletz. I'm the owner and founder of Burgers Brewing. We have 2 locations, one here in Zelienople, one in Lawrenceville in the city. Communication is important to my business because we have to make sure when we interact with the customer that we're getting their orders correct all the time. These phones sound like you're standing right next to the person. So the features that I like from the system are we can monitor calls when we're not here. So when we're traveling for work, we can pick up all of the phone calls even after hours. We can communicate via restaurants, which is very, very, very nice. Burgers can call Delaterra right from the host stand without taking up a line. I like the fact that it's internet-based. The internet was always going to be on, and we were never going to miss another phone call if the phone lines go down. We know that we're in good hands with Bud. If anything goes down, he's ready to help us out. When you need them, no matter what time it is, they're there. We recently had a phone cord go down. He was here and the phone was replaced in 4 minutes. Literally 4 minutes. Bud has always been there for us to take care of, honestly, anything that we need. I would recommend to every business. We saved a boatload of money switching because we had 4 lines at each restaurant. Now we have 1 line at each restaurant that we're paying for.